Hi, this is Scott Martindale here to talk about my weekly sector detector column. We're well into earnings season and investors are liking what they hear. We're seeing record corporate earnings, rising revenues, good forward guidance. We've got a very accommodative Fed, and that's helping to push a lot of money into equities. Retail investors are starting to show a little bit of confidence as well. Tech leaders like Google and IBM were bought up in truckloads this week, Intuitive Surgical as well. And by the way, a couple of weeks ago in my sector detector, I'd mentioned Google and Intuitive Surgical as two top picks in technology and healthcare, which have been dominating the top of Sabrient sector cast ETF rankings of the 10 US sector iShares. From a technical standpoint, I like to look at the S&P 500 Trust SPY. After it's been on quite an uptrend since the start of Thanksgiving week of last year, and you can actually draw an uptrend line. It was only violated temporarily during that fiscal cliff worry right at the end of 2012. Then it quickly recovered. It's technically, though, it's getting quite stretched. All the oscillators are looking overbought. It really looks like it needs to come down a bit. The S&P 500 pushing up against 1,500 just seemed like this is the time for it to pull back and test some support levels. After Apple's very disappointing report, I really thought this could be the start of it, but not yet, at least. Just looking briefly at the Sabrient sector cast rankings, again, healthcare, IYH, and technology, IYW, are at the top again. Good support from Wall Street analysts looking forward, good return ratios. At the bottom, we continue to see telecom and, unfortunately, consumer services. A lot of the retailers are down there, and that's kind of holding it back. So overall, the rankings are a little bit more bullish this week, but still mostly neutral, with consumer goods well above consumer services. Defensive sectors like consumer goods and healthcare are ranked pretty high. Top-ranked stocks in healthcare and technology this week, I recommended Varian Medical Systems, the Cooper Companies, F5 Networks, and VMware. Thanks.